Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a review meeting with the top Gujarat officials after visiting the Air India crash site. He was informed about the event after the crash and gave instructions to the state team. PM Modi also met injured victims and spoke to the only survivor, Vishwas Kumar Ramesh. He expressed deep sorrow over the death of former Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani, praising his humanity, long service, and key role in Gujarat's development and BJP's growth. Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, the only survivor of Ahmedabad plane crash, is a British citizen. He was sitting in a seat near the emergency exit. He said the plane broke apart in the air just after the takeoff. Still tied to his seat, he was thrown out and escaped the fire. He told doctors at Ahmedabad Civil Hospital that the plane broke out and my seat came off. Though scared, he stayed awake, unbuckled himself and ran out through a broken door. He saw many others dying around him. Gujarat ATS has recovered a digital video recorder from the debris of the Air India plane that crashed yesterday in Ahmedabad. An ATS official said it's a DVR which we have recovered from the debris. The FSL team will come here soon. The DVR may help investigators understand what happened before the crash. The Forensic Science Laboratory team will examine it closely for clues. Air India has clarified that the black box from the crash flight has not been found yet. Some media reports claim that it was recovered, but the airline rejected these claims, calling them false and based on speculations. A black box is a special device that records flight data and pilot conversations. It plays a key role in helping investigators understand the reason behind the plane crash. Search teams are still working to locate the black box, which is crucial for finding out what went wrong. After the Air India tragedy, the airline's parent company, Tata Group, has announced ₹1 crore compensation for all the families of those who lost their lives. The company will also cover full medical expenses of the injured. Additionally, the Tata Group has promised to help rebuild a damaged infrastructure of the affected medical college. This support aims to provide relief and assistance to those deeply impacted by the tragic incident. An Indian Air Force Apache helicopter made an emergency landing in Nangalpur, which is in Punjab. No one was injured and there was no damage. A similar incident happened on June 6 in Saharanpur, which is in Uttar Pradesh, due to a technical issue. The pilot and co-pilot were safe. An Air India flight from Phuket A1379 to Delhi received a bomb threat on Friday morning, leading to emergency landing. There were 156 passengers on board. All passengers were safely evacuated and emergency protocols were followed at the airport. During initial checks, no bomb was found on the aircraft. Authorities are questioning the passengers who first reported seeing the bomb threat note. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer said that the Foreign Secretary is working with Indian authorities in the investigation of the tragic Air India crash in Ahmedabad. US President Donald Trump called the accident terrible and one of the worst in aviation history. He offered US full support. Anything we can do will be over there immediately.